Hello, 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 everybody. This is Robin from Remembering with Rover, and we've got unboxings. Okay, let me tell you what is going on with these unboxings. Some of these are Christmas presents from my daughter and from Mr. And some of these are things that I ordered. Now, you guys all know what's going on with the whole shipping fiasco. I ordered these things months ago. So long ago, and I kept checking and I kept not having it would say that it had been shipped, but I wasn't getting any shipping information. And then one day I go to the post office and there's all these packages. So every single thing that had gotten ordered over probably a 3 or 4 months time showed up all at the exact same time. Now, you know I like Bothy Threads, and you know I like Caterpillar Cross Stitch. And both of those things come from overseas. They come from Europe. And so for a long while there, it was difficult to get those things here. And I believe what happened is that they worked together with Herrschners to get the things, at least Bothy, because Herrschners sells Bothy's products. So I think they worked with Herrschners to get the stuff shipped, because all of it came with packaging that said it was from Herrschners. Right there, Herrschners. And I didn't order that much stuff from Herrschners. So when I opened the first one, I'm like, oh, these are my items. These are the items that finally have gotten here. So I'm very, very excited to be opening these, but there's a lot. So I've decided I'm going to split this into a couple of videos. So you already saw the first one, and that was a regular order, and it got here in a regular amount of time. I'm going to do this one, and then there'll be one more next week, because you don't want to watch this all the time. So that's how we're going to handle the openings of these things. Okay? And once we're done with the opening videos, then we will move on to the spinning the wheel for the project videos. All right, so that's what's going to happen. All right, let's get to our first item. And I have not looked at any of these. I just, like I said, I opened that first package and I saw it was from Bothy. I'm like, oh, I know what happened. Okay, so this first item is Bothy Threads. And I believe it's their, what do they call it? They have a subscription box, but it's not like you don't get it all the time. You just ask for each individual one. So, and I'm pretty sure that's what this is. So we're going to open this up. Yep, that's what it is. Okay, and it's full of packing. So let's get that out of the way, and then there's our actual box. So let's get this stuff out of the way before I make a big fat mess everywhere. Okay, Bothy Threads. And that's the back, Bothy Threads. Okay, and it says Sally King Designs. Sally King is one of the designers. They've probably got, I don't know, a dozen designers. And Sally King is probably my favorite. So, oh, look at this. Okay. Can you see how great that is? All that stuff in there. Okay, box contents. Oh, I thought it would say the name of it. It's like, I'm totally going to mess up. As soon as I find out, as soon as I figure out the name of their little subscription cup, I will let you know. Okay, so what do we got going on here? Besides all the shred, all the pretty purple shred, we have, it says Eat, Drink, Love, Cocoa chocolate. It's a hot chocolate spoon. So you just put this probably in your warm milk and it's going to melt it all down. There you can see the little marshmallow stars on the back. How cute is that? Place chocolate spoon in a 9-ounce cup of heated milk and stir until chocolate is melted. Well, you know I'm doing that. We'll have to do that one of the times when we're working on a project. Okay. Dark Winter Mauve Snowflake. Oh, beads and sparkles. I'm not going to open that because I'll spill it. So this is snowflakes. Light Winter Lilac Snowflakes. Winter Blue Snowflakes. So these are all beads and sparkles. It says beads and sparkles on the back. Okay. Time to thread your needle. Be careful, they might be sharp. So we've got 2 needles to work on our project. Oh, these are adorable. They're little wooden snowflakes. And I'm sure we're going to stitch on them to make the design of the snowflake. And there's 3 of them. Are they the same? I don't want to undo them. So I don't know if they're the same design or not. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. A calendar. So remember I was telling you about that I love Sally King's designs. And this is an example of her designs. And oh, this is so cool. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Get this sticker off the back. It is a 12-month calendar. I believe so. 12-month calendar for 26. Yep, it starts in January. Oh my gosh. And every page is one of these fantastic shoes. So this will be cool because I have fallen in love with these designs. Look at those incredible designs. And these are all cross-stitch patterns. Absolutely incredible. I am in love with this. And I want to do all of them. So this will be a great way. Maybe I could do one a month. No, I have way too many projects. Way too many projects. Plus, I would already be behind on that one, although I could do that next January. That's not a good idea. But this is something that I can keep and keep track of the shoes. I just love these. I know for a fact, which one was, oh, it's kind of neat because you can see the design better on here. Wow, look at this. You can see the design better on here than you can in the little bitty picture on the web. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Can you tell? Overly excited. Okay, we got something wrapped in tissue. There's no way I can save it. Much as I want to, there's no way I can save it because it's got a great big sticker on it. Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. Here's the meat and potatoes of it. This is our 8 o'clock. There's our 8 o'clock. And it's got a little bit of, I don't know, like felt. Don't know what this is for. I guess we'll find out. And there's our colors already separated out with the markings on them. And there's some extra. So this might have something to do with that. I don't know. We will find out. We will find out. I'm sure of it. Okay. This gets wrapped back up. There is a lot in this box. There's our, oh, I see. Okay, here's our design. Oh, look at this. It's one of the shoes. It is one of the shoes. It is called Yule Lanterns. So kind of Christmassy. Isn't that beautiful? Super happy about that. Super happy about that. And then there's the, okay, there's the design for the 3 snowflakes. So they are all each a little different. And I bet that's what that extra thread is for. Yep. So this is Yule lanterns and the snowflake decorations, cross stitch kit, information, how to do it. We know how to do this. I've not ever worked on the wood design before though, so I'm excited about that because I've not done that before. And I have seen a lot of them come through. And then here is the, good Lord, here's the pattern booklet for the shoe design. And it's nice and big, so even my old eyes can see it. And then it says, let's stitch. And then there is some basic instructions on how to do cross stitch. Ooh, here's another one of her patterns. I don't know why. I'm not a shoe person. I'm not a high heel person. But for some reason, her designs just absolutely knocked me out. All right, let's see if we can get all this back in here. And then we'll open another. Oh, I'm leaving this out. Leaving this calendar out because that's going to get put to good use. Probably should leave the chocolate out too. Put all of this stuff back in here with all the shred. So that'll be ready to go. Ah! I've got shred everywhere. We've got shred everywhere. Okay, so this is their subscription. And I don't know if it's every month. I don't know if it's every now and again. But you can look at it before you order it. So I knew I wanted this one. I knew I really wanted this one. And I'll just keep an eye on when I see more that I really like. I will order them. Okay, so that's the first item. Set it off to the side. And then there is, let's see. That's got a lot of stuff. That's got a lot of stuff. Okay, we'll do this one next because it doesn't look like there's as much in it. So let's see what we've got. We got another box. And we have, there we go. Oh, I actually remember ordering this. Okay. I'm so excited about this. All right. You guys know how much I love polar bears. Look at that. It's called Snow Baby. Isn't that beautiful? I'm very excited about that. Oh, look. And I don't know if you can see. Yeah, the Aida cloth has little dots of blue on it. So to look like the background. So this is 14 count Aida cloth with a sprinkle print background. Pre-sorted thread, needle diagram. And it's 26 by 26 centimeters. Let's see, you divide by 2, 12. So probably 9 by 9-ish when it's done. I think you divide by 2.5, and that's more than my brain can handle off the top of my head. So very excited about that one. And this, they had, okay, the only reason I got this is because Bothy, and I think it was over Black Friday weekend, they were having a 40% off sale on everything in the store. And I've had my eye on this for a very long time, but it was kind of spendy, so I couldn't bring myself to purchase it. And the prices are not on here. But at 40% off, I took the plunge. Look how cute that is. It's a tapestry pillow. But you just get the front. You don't have the pillow backing. However, I did see on their website the other day that you can buy a setup for the backing. So if I can't figure that out, which I probably will be able to, it's not that hard to make a pillow back, but we'll see. Oh, and it's 14 inches square when it's done. And it says it's got a design in there for a pom-pom. So this is an actual pom-pom that you sew onto it. But how cute is that? like I said, I've been eyeing this for a long time. And if you don't want to order from Bothy, I believe this is available on Herrschners as well. In fact, I know both of these are available on Herrschners because I've been watching them on there, and they have sales all the time as well. So these are the two items that were in this particular order. And I'm very, very excited, very happy with them. We have to add all of these things to our kit list, though. It's incredibly, unbelievably long. Ridiculously so. Okay, so that is it for these two projects. And I'm going to stop now, and I'm going to add these to my list, and then I'm going to make another unboxing video, which you guys will see next week. So start watching for, right now my plan is every Sunday to pop up a new video. And we'll be talking about what we did that week. We'll be picking out projects to work on for the next week, and just general chit chat. But I'm thinking Sundays. We'll try for a while and see how it goes on Sundays. All right, that's it for right now. Please like, please subscribe, and please pop this over to somebody who you think might enjoy it. Thank you ever so much for your time. Bye-bye.